This Texas ranch supplies some of America's rarest exotic leather. Before sunrise, ranch crews begin their daily inspection routes.
This massive breeding operation raises thousands of ostriches every year.
Automated feeding systems keep the entire ranch running with precision. Each feed batch is carefully engineered for healthy skin development. Exercise and open space are critical for producing premium-grade ostrich leather. Daily health inspections help maintain strict American luxury leather standards. Every ostrich is digitally tracked from ranch to factory. On a working Texas ranch, every day starts on the ground. Modern water systems are essential in the harsh Texas climate. Clean environments help protect the quality of every hide. Skin quality inspections begin long before the tanning process.
The signature quill pattern makes ostrich leather one of the world's most recognizable exotic materials.
Strong infrastructure is critical on a ranch built for thousands of powerful birds. Automated feed logistics keep the entire ranch operating around the clock.
Every generation begins inside carefully controlled hatchery systems. Precise climate control is essential during the incubation process. The first weeks of life are carefully monitored around the clock.
Modern ranches now rely on aerial technology to monitor livestock across vast distances. As the sun sets, the ranch prepares for another day of production. Modern handling systems are designed to reduce stress and improve safety. Specialized transport systems are built to move livestock safely across long distances.
Careful handling helps protect both the animals and the quality of the hides.
Every shipment must pass strict veterinary and transport regulations.
Once secured, the convoy is ready for transport to the processing facility.
The journey from ranch to tannery can span hundreds of miles. Maintaining stable conditions during transport is critical for premium leather production. This state-of-the-art tannery transforms raw hides into luxury-grade exotic leather. Strict security and traceability standards control every delivery entering the tannery. Inside the tannery, every delivery enters a tightly controlled industrial workflow.
Each hide is graded for texture, symmetry, and luxury quality standards. Only the highest grade skins move forward into luxury production. Automation helps move delicate exotic hides through every stage with precision.
Deep cleaning removes impurities before the tanning process begins.
Rotating drum systems clean and prepare the hides for chemical treatment.
Removing organic residue is essential for achieving a flawless leather finish.
Advanced drainage systems manage thousands of gallons of water every hour.
Even with automation, Skilled hands still play a critical role in leather preparation.
Precise moisture control helps maintain the strength and flexibility of exotic leather.
Controlled storage conditions protect the hides before tanning begins. Tanning begins with carefully balanced chemical formulations. Chrome tanning gives exotic leather its durability and flexibility.
After tanning, the hides take on their signature wet blue appearance.
Heat, steam, and chemistry drive every stage of the tanning operation. Technicians constantly monitor the chemical balance throughout the tanning cycle.
Vegetable tanning creates a richer texture and a more natural finish. Robotic mixing systems ensure consistency in every tanning formula. Controlled stretching improves both texture and structural consistency. Thickness calibration ensures every hide meets exact luxury manufacturing standards. Splitting machines create perfectly balanced leather layers for premium products. Vacuum drying removes moisture while preserving the leather's natural texture. Slow, controlled drying helps stabilize the leather fibers. Hanging frames allow the hides to dry evenly without damaging the grain. Softening machines give the leather its signature flexibility and comfort. Hydraulic stretching creates a smoother and more consistent leather surface. The natural quill pattern is what makes ostrich leather instantly recognizable. Laser inspection systems identify flaws invisible to the human eye. Custom dye formulas define the final character of the leather. Deep drum dyeing allows the color to penetrate every layer of the leather. The finishing line creates the deep color and polished appearance luxury buyers expect. Heated air chambers slowly stabilize the dyed leather before finishing. Protective oils enhance the leather's durability and natural sheen. Buffing smooths the surface while enhancing the leather's premium finish.
Embossing adds depth, texture, and a refined luxury finish to the leather.
Every hide is inspected multiple times before entering boot production.
Once approved, the leather is shipped to specialized boot manufacturers across America.
This Texas boot factory transforms exotic leather into handcrafted luxury footwear. Craftsmen select only the most symmetrical sections for premium cowboy boots.
Digital pattern design ensures every boot maintains perfect symmetry and fit.
Laser cutting maximizes precision while preserving the leather's natural pattern.
Clicker presses cut every component with speed and consistency. Each component is carefully matched to maintain a consistent luxury appearance. Matching quill patterns is one of the most important steps in luxury boot production. Decorative stitching gives each boot its distinctive Western identity. Exotic leather requires slower stitching and expert precision.
Premium cowboy boots still rely on traditional handcrafted sole construction. Wooden lasts define the shape, fit, and structure of every boot. Heat molding helps the leather retain its final boot shape.
Manual shaping gives each boot its final structure and fit. Hand-stitched pull straps add both function and traditional Western character.
Reinforced heel construction provides strength, balance, and long-term durability. Precision sole attachment is critical for comfort and long-term performance. Steel shanks provide the stability required for high-end cowboy boots. Precision trimming creates the clean silhouette expected in luxury Western footwear. Hand-burnished edges give the boots their refined luxury finish. Luxury insoles improve comfort without compromising traditional craftsmanship. Conditioning creams enhance the depth, shine, and longevity of exotic leather. Final polishing brings out the signature shine of luxury ostrich leather. Every pair is branded as a mark of authenticity and craftsmanship. Master inspectors examine every detail before the boots leave the factory. Durability testing ensures every pair can withstand years of use. Water resistance testing verifies the performance of the finished leather. Professional product imaging is essential in the luxury footwear market. Finished boots are presented like luxury collectibles before reaching customers. Each pair includes documentation verifying its authenticity and craftsmanship. Luxury presentation packaging completes the premium customer experience. Protective dust bags help preserve the leather during storage and transport. Automated logistics systems prepare every order for global distribution. Advanced warehouse automation keeps luxury inventory moving efficiently. Finished products are prepared for shipment to luxury retailers around the world. From Texas factories, luxury boots begin their journey to customers worldwide. These handcrafted boots are sold in some of America's most exclusive Western boutiques. For many buyers, these boots represent craftsmanship, rarity, and Western heritage. Every detail reflects the precision behind luxury exotic leather craftsmanship. From ranch to runway, every pair carries the legacy of American craftsmanship. Conditioning creams enhance the depth, shine, and longevity of exotic leather.